Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the gardening world, the best Fitlife Flexible Garden Hose.
This isn't your ordinary garden hose. It's built to be durable, flexible, and hassle-free. Let's explore why it might just be the perfect addition to your gardening toolkit.
The Fitlife Flexible Garden Hose stands out for several reasons. It's crafted from industrial-grade 304 stainless steel, making it incredibly durable yet surprisingly lightweight.
Unlike traditional hoses that can kink or tangle, this one stays smooth and knot-free, ensuring a seamless watering experience every time. Let's talk about durability. The hose is designed with a robust PVC inner tube
that can withstand up to 1,800 to 2,000 uses under high water pressure, far exceeding the lifespan of typical hoses. This means no more worries about bursts or cracks, even under 145 psi.
Upgraded connectors made from 7 series aluminum ensure a secure fit and prevent leaks. Whether you're attaching a sprinkler or a nozzle, you can count on these fittings to hold tight without dripping, a significant upgrade from older hose designs. Portability is another highlight.
Despite its durability, the Fitlife hose is lightweight and collapsible.
It's easy to roll up and store, taking up minimal space in your garage or shed. Plus, its weatherproof and puncture-resistant properties mean it can handle all your outdoor watering needs without wearing out. So, is the Fitlife Flexible Garden Hose worth the investment? Absolutely. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting,
this hose offers the durability, flexibility, and ease of use that every outdoor enthusiast can appreciate. If you're tired of dealing with leaks, kinks, and short-lived hoses, this might just be the perfect upgrade for you.
If you're interested in upgrading your gardening gear, check out the link in the description below to learn more about the Fitlife Flexible Garden Hose. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations on top-notch products like this one.
Thanks for watching.